In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram widget to your Blogger site, helping you integrate some of your social media presence seamlessly into your blog. Whether you want to display a particular Instagram post or simply encourage readers to follow your account, I'll guide you through two straightforward methods to achieve this. So, let's dive right in and get started. First up, we're going to learn how to embed an Instagram post directly into your Blogger site. This method is great for showcasing a specific post, whether it's a stunning image or a short video that you'd like your readers to see. Start by opening Instagram and navigating to the post you want to share. Once you have it open, look for the More Options menu, which is indicated by the three dots, often found in the top right corner of the post. Click on these dots, and you should see an option labeled Embed. Click on Embed, and you'll be presented with an HTML snippet or code that you can copy to your clipboard. With the embed code copied, head over to your Blogger account and open the post or page editor where you want the Instagram content to appear. From here, switch to HTML view. In this view, you're able to see and edit the HTML code of your post. Find the exact spot where you'd like the Instagram post to display, and simply paste the embed code you copied earlier. Remember, the placement of the code will determine where in the visual layout of your post the Instagram content appears. Once you're satisfied with the placement, go ahead and publish or update your post, and voila, your Instagram post should now be visible on your blog. But what if you want to encourage readers to follow your Instagram profile instead of showcasing a specific post? Well, there's an easy method for that as well. We'll add a simple Instagram follow button to your Blogger site. To do this, begin by going to the Layout section in Blogger. Once you're there, you'll see an option to add a gadget. Click on this and a list of available gadgets will appear. From the list, select HTML/JavaScript. This will allow you to insert custom HTML code into your blog. Here's where you'll add a small piece of HTML. Type in the following. Open a bracket followed by a href, then the Instagram URL, and replace your username with your actual Instagram username. For example, it should look something like https instagram.com/ your username. Next, you'll include target =_ blank to ensure the link opens in a new tab. And finally, before you close the tag, add some friendly text that will show as the hyperlink, such as "Follow me on Instagram." This creates an attractive, clickable follow button on your blog. That's all it takes to create a more engaging and aesthetically pleasing blog that fully integrates your Instagram presence. Whether embedding posts or adding a follow button, both methods are fantastic for enhancing the interaction between your blog and your social media. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck with enhancing your Blogger site.